Que lo que mi gente, welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode we're making papas rellenas or rellenos de papa. We are using 2 pounds of potatoes. We're going to boil them with 1 teaspoon of salt. You need 3 eggs. Picadillo, this is about 1 pound of picadillo. If you're interested in learning how to make picadillo the way I make it, I will have the recipe down below. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. About 2 cups of Italian breadcrumbs and vegetable oil to fry them. I have water here boiling. I'm going to put in my salt. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to put my potatoes in. Once the potatoes are nice and soft, we're going to mash them. I'll just make mashed potatoes. And then I'll show you what to do next. Hey guys, so the potatoes are done. At this point, I am going to mash them. Just like you make mashed potatoes. To the potatoes, we're adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And 1 egg. At this point, I am going to let the potatoes rest in the fridge for about 25 minutes. And I'll show you how to put them together with our picadillo inside. Hey guys, so my potatoes are ready. They're nice and cool to the touch. I have here my breadcrumb, hot oil for frying. It has to be really hot, so I have the temperature set to high heat. I got my egg wash and my picadillo ready. Now let's assemble las papas rellenas. You're going to grab some of your mashed potato, make them into a ball. Make sure your hands are very clean. So your potato bowl should look like so. Now we're going to create a dent and put in our ground beef or picadillo inside. Then we'll go ahead and close our potato bowl. And if you feel like you need more potato, go ahead and add some more potato to it. There's no wrong or right way on how to do this. You do it your way. Everybody does it a little bit different. Okay, that looks about right. At this point, we're going to drop it in our egg wash. Make sure we coat it well with the eggs. From here, goes into my breadcrumbs. And we do the same thing. We'll coat the potato ball or relleno de papa with a breadcrumb. Make sure that it's coated all over. That's already looking good. We're going to set it aside and we'll go ahead and make another one. Hey guys, so I put together all my papas rellenas or relleno de papas potato balls. Now they are going into the hot oil. Remember guys that the potatoes and the beef are cooked. All we're doing is giving that nice brown color on the outside. So they will be crispy on the outside and nice and soft in the inside. So this is really hot. This one. Let it cook on one side first before you flip it to the other side. You don't want it to fall apart. Guess I can put in one more. Fry them until they are golden brown. Hey guys, so our papas rellenas or potato balls are ready. Now all we have to do is taste them. Do you guys want to take a closer look? Let's check them out. And there you have it, guys. Papas rellenas, and they look delicious. They look pretty tasty, right? Let's see. They're so good. They're nice and crispy on the outside and soft and meaty in the inside. They're my favorite. I can eat this all day and I'll be fine. Guys, if you like this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.